Okay, so we'll start with learning how to automatically generate serial numbers. Okay, so serial number will start from 1 to 10, like we can go it further. So, whenever we are making a table, if let's assume a table, it's a serial number, order number, and the status. If we assume a e-commerce company report, then there should be order numbers in one column and there will be status of those orders in next column. Okay, so whenever we have to put the order number, like if a order new order placed, then we have to track that, so we have to put that number in the table. So whenever we have to put a new order number, then every time we have to again put the serial number also. Whenever we put an order number, there will be a serial number automatically generated. So how can we do that? We have to make a header named as serial number. Then we start with the formula is number. So and we select its upper cell. So what it will generate is number formula checks whether the cell you selected have a number or a non-number cell. So if I select it, it is showing false. That it means H4 is not a cell which contains any number. If I put 4 here, then it will automatically show me that it's true. It's a cell which contains number. So here I get that this cell is not a serial number or not a, this cell is not a number. Then I'll use the if formula. How we can use if? So we are using if as like if the H4 cell is contains serial number. Okay, so if it is showing true then it contains serial number, then we will add 1 in the upper cell. Okay, if it is showing false, that means it does not contain any serial number, any number, so we have to make it a start. So we have to put 1 which is the start of a serial number. If I put this, so I can get 1. H4 does not contain any number. If I drag this formula, I'll get a serial number, right? But do I have to like drag this formula again and again? If I have to like put a order number like this, so do we have to drag this formula again and again whenever we put any order number? Okay, like you can see, it will not auto generate the serial numbers. So every time I have to drag that formula. So I have a solution for that also. Okay, let's remove these formulas. Only we will work again on this formula, and now we are using if again on this whole formula. So now we are using if for like if I5 I5, the cell which contains the order number, if I5 is not equals to blank, if I5 is not equals to blank, okay, that sign, this sign shows the blank sign and this is not equal to sign. Okay, now we will put comma. So it is showing either so it is showing here value if true. If I5 is not blank, then this formula will apply here in this cell. If it's blank, then we will get output, then we need blank. Okay, so there is a formula, but the cell is blank, so we will drag this formula. So now you can see the magic. When I put an order number, a serial number will be auto generated. See, thank you so much guys. Just hit the like button and subscribe my video. I'll show you more and more tricks and more informational Google Sheet reports and formulas.